When you see Mr. Claus, you do not just notice his muscles, you recognize yourself quickly. Sacrifice and unwavering passion behind him. His well-defined physique is the outcome of countless early morning, rigorous workout, and determination that never back down. Klaus embodies more than just physical attractiveness. He demonstrated that true appeal stems from confidence, hard work, and self-assurance. Each repetition he performs not only strength his body but also reinforces his character. His broad chest, powerful arms, and defined abs are a testament to discipline, transformed